What's up, YouTube? You guys are in for a treat. I've been hauling bees back and forth. I got done doing my splits, pulled up into the bee yard to see what was going on and unload these guys. Hold on, I'll turn these guys right there. And when I pulled up, I noticed. Hold on. You guys are gonna love this. So when I pulled up, I noticed that all my beehives are super active. I've got to put these over here. I got them set up for that back there. But I noticed that there was a bunch of bees flying around right here. Looky at what we have here. That's right, we have a swarm. I don't know how I'm gonna video this because I didn't bring anything to record this with, but by goodness, we're gonna make it work somehow. Oh, we're gonna catch this sucker. And look what I'm gonna catch it in. I don't have a box on me. So we're gonna put it in that for now. I went and cut a hole in the front of it for a little entrance. And yeah, that's what these guys are going in. So let's check this out. Luckily, I had this in the car. I bought this thing off Amazon. Works great. Here's my tripod. Let's get this done. They're in there. Pretty much got the whole hive. I'm gonna go over here and set them with my other bees. It can't get any easier than that. The only problem is if they'll stay. They're fanning. There's a queen in here. People, I think we did it. Well, anyways, hope you liked this video. This was exciting. Always love catching a swarm. This is my new bee yard. These are all the splits that I just did yesterday and today. And had a little bonus surprise on the little swarm that I just caught right there. They seem to be coming and going out of it. Oh, I hope they stay. I gotta go to work and I gotta leave in an hour. So I don't have time to do anything with them. So they're just gonna, my dad, he's gonna bring a box over and he's gonna put those in it. And hopefully they're still in it when he gets here. So anyway, if you guys would, please smash that like button, and also, if you would, subscribe to my channel. It'd be greatly appreciated. I've got a lot of stuff coming up with bees. We got, hopefully, some honey extracting, some more swarm catches, maybe a couple cutouts. We'll see. I got a couple places that need the bees cut out. So, anyway, you guys have a good one, and we will talk to you later on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys have a good one. Peace. I need to come up with a better trademark. I need to be like, y'all have a blessed day. Let's just do that. You guys have a blessed day.